Hi students, welcome to our maths class. So in the previous class we discussed about transversal and different angles formed by transversal with two straight lines. So today let us see some problems involving adjacent angles and supplementary, complementary, etc. Look at this question. Two straight lines, first question. Two straight lines AB and CD intersect at point P. Intersect at point P. If angle BPD equal to 54 degrees, then find angle APD, second angle APC. Diagram is like this. So A, B, C, D. So 54 degrees is here. Intersection point is P. Okay. So first what is given here? You look at the question carefully. Two straight lines AB and CD. They are intersecting lines. What did I tell you about intersecting lines? Since they are meeting at one common point, they are called intersecting lines. So angle BPD is given. What is given here? Angle BPD is equal to how much? 54 degrees. Like this. Angle BPD or DPB also we can write, no problem. So then we have to find APD. You look at here, that angle we must find APD. Angle APD we should find. This one we should find. Okay. So from the figure, I can write angle APD plus angle BPD equal to how much? 180 degrees. Since they form adjacent angles side by side, they form adjacent angles, linear pair, otherwise linear pair. Sum of two angles must be 180 degrees. So I can write simply adjacent angles, right? Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means sum of two angles is equal to here. They have one common ray here. Two angles are having common ray. So they are called adjacent angles. So that is 180 degrees. Remember that. Or simply we say that linear pair also, no problem. So angle APD as it is plus angle BPD, how much we are given? 54 equal to 180. Now I want APD equal to 180 minus 54. So how much you will get? 10 minus 4, 6, 7 minus 5, 2, 1. So angle APD equal to how much? 120 degrees. Also we have to find angle APC also. How do you find angle APC? Since BPD and APC, since angle BPD and APC are vertically opposite angles. Just in the previous class I told you vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles, their measures are equal. If this is 54, then automatically this is also 54. This is 126. If this is 126, automatically this also 126. Okay, together will be 360 degrees around this. Together, all these together we will get 360 degrees. So their measures are equal. Angle BPD is equal to angle APC. But BPD how much we have? 54. Therefore, angle APC is also 54 degrees. Since they form vertically opposite angles, already I told you, I showed you in the diagram, vertically opposite angles are always equal. So required angle is how much? 54. Right? Next question. See this question. Second problem. In the figure, angle AOB and angle AOC, whose exterior arms OB and OC are along the same straight line, or along the same straight line. Find x. Find x. Look at this figure. This is 70. 2x plus 10. Okay. In the figure, angle AOB and angle AOC, whose exterior arms OB and OC are along the same straight line. Since just I told you in the previous problem, they form adjacent angles. How do you say that they form adjacent angles? Because OB and OC are two opposite rays. They have a common ray here. OA is common ray. So we say that they are adjacent angles. Clearly from the figure, solution, from the figure, I can say that angle AOC plus angle BOC together, how much? 180 degrees. Since they form adjacent angles. So, since adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. So since they are supplementary angles, sum of two angles should be 180 degrees, right? Supplementary means already I told you together how much you should have? 180 degrees. So 2x plus 10 plus 70 together 180. So this angle plus this angle should be 180 degrees. So you can simplify this. 2x plus 70 plus 10 how much? 80. So equal to 180. So this is a linear equation in one variable. Already we have seen in the previous classes. So 2x equal to 180 plus 80 shift that side. Then it becomes minus 80. 180 minus 80 how much? 100. So shift to that side. So x equal to 100. This is in the multiplication 2. So if I shift that side, it becomes divided by 2. So you can cancel this 2 5s. So x value how much? 50 degrees. Therefore the value of x is 50 degrees. Okay. Okay, the same concept we will see one more. Here B, here C is there. Here B, here C. This is 68. This is 3x minus 20. So you have to find the value of x. Can you do same model problem? So small changes here. Question is same. So I will do here. Together how much you will get? So together, so what will you get here? 68 plus 3x minus 20 equal to how much? 180 degrees. Since they form adjacent angles here, together this one plus this one together 180 degrees, right? So 3x 68 minus 20 how much? 48, right? 48 equal to 180. So 3x equal to 180 minus 48. Third problem. 180 minus plus 48, shift that side, minus 48. So 3x equal to 2, 7 minus 4, 3, 1. Then x equal to 132 upon 3. Right? So you can cut 3 fours 12. 3 fours 12. So x value how much we have? 44. So therefore x value 44. This is the way we can solve for x, right? By using adjacent angles property. Right? One more problem. Fourth question we will see. Same concept. I'll write the question C here. The adjacent figure shows, fourth problem, the adjacent figure shows two straight lines AB and CD intersecting at point P. If angle BPC equal to 4x minus 5 and angle APD (3x plus 15), then find X, angle APD, angle BPD, angle BPC. So this is the question. See the diagram. So two straight lines are cut by like this, intersecting lines. This is P, this is 3x plus 15, this is 4x minus 5. Vertically opposite angles, right? They are equal. A, B, C, D. They are vertically opposite angles. Two vertically opposite angles are always equal. I already told you what is given in the problem. What is given in the problem? We are given angle APD. Angle APD equal to 3x plus 15. Angle BPC equal to 4x minus 5. Since they are vertically opposite angles, from the figure I can say angle APD is equal to angle BPC. Since they are vertically opposite angles. Since they are vertically opposite angles. In the previous class, I explained this. Vertically opposite angles are always equal in the case of intersecting lines. So since they are equal, so I can take 3x plus 15 is equal to 4x minus 5. So you can just transpose the variables here. 3x plus 4x bring this side, 15 shift that side. So minus 4x minus 5 plus 15 becomes minus 15. So 3x minus 4x minus x, because bigger value is 4, here minus 20. So both sides minus cancel, x equal to 20. Therefore what is the value of x here? 20. So first question is over. X value 20. Now they are asking second question, APD. APD. Angle APD. Second question answer, angle APD. Angle APD means we have 3x plus 15, right? 3x plus 15. 3 into x value I got here 20 plus 15. So 3 20s are 60 plus 15. How much? 75. Second question is over. BPD. Angle BPD. Angle BPD they are asking. So this one they are asking, right? Angle BPD, this one. So I got this one as 75. This will be 180 minus 75, right? Because they form straight angle, adjacent angles, right? So together will be 180. So I am subtracting 5, 105. So I can take 180 minus 75 means 105. Since they are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means they are supplementary, or linear pair also you can write. Linear pair also you can write. Linear pair. Linear pair means sum of two angles must be 180. What is the fourth question? BPC. Angle BPC. Where is BPC here? This one. Angle BPC and angle APD both are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. Already I got 75, that is. So if this is 75, automatically angle BPC also 75 because they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, you need to practice this type of problems carefully. So we will continue some more in the next class. Thank you.